Hello and welcome back to MBBS Council. Do you know which college in your state is the best? And do you know which colleges should be present in your choice filling list for the state counseling? Let me help you with that. To know the best colleges for your state, you have to select the ranker menu in the app. When you click it, it gives you a variety of options to rank the colleges. At the top, you can see there is an option to select the state. I'm a candidate from Karnataka, so I'm selecting Karnataka from the list. Then I'm selecting the rank option, in which it opens up another select box. To get a list of colleges for state counseling, we have to select state quota rank. When I click it, a list of colleges starting from Bangalore Government Medical College, Mysore Medical College, Kasturba Manipal, etc. are displayed. To know more details about the college, you can simply click on it. Using this facility, you can get a choice filling list for your state also. Check out that. I'm signing off now. See you in another video.